Phonics friends, and thank you for joining me today. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Let's get started. Today, we're going to be learning the n sound. Now you might be thinking, I've heard the n sound before. And that's because one letter N makes an n sound and two letter N's make an n sound. N, 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 n. But today, we're going to be learning this n sound. Now, when I do this, it's my turn. And when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. N, n, n. Brilliant. Now, let's have a little look in my magic box and see what we can find that uses the n sound. Ooh, can you see that? I found a penny. Can you hear the n sound in the middle of penny, penny, penny? Well done. Let's see what else we can find that uses the n sound. Oh, I found a trophy. Trophy doesn't use the n sound. I know, winner. Can you hear the n sound in winner, winner, winner? Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the n sound. Ah, I found a little bunny. Can you hear the n sound in bunny, bunny, bunny? Well done. So bunny, winner, and penny all use the n sound. Now, let's have a little go at writing the n sound. To write the n sound, we need to write two letter N's. And to do that, we start at the top, all the way down, back up, over and down. Then we do it again, start at the top, all the way down, back up, over and down. Now I want you joining in, so let's get those magic fingers ready. Give them a shake, give them a wiggle, get them all nice and warm. Give your shoulders a big roll, warm yourself up. I want you joining in with your magic finger. You could use your other hand as a magic piece of paper to write on. Magic fingers and start at the top, all the way down, back up, round and down. Start at the top, all the way down, back up, over and down. Well done. Let's do it again. Magic fingers. Start at the top, all the way down, back up, over and down. Then do it again. Start at the top, all the way down, back up, over and down. Well done. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the n sound. Our first word today is tennis. My turn first. T-E-N-I-S. Tennis. Your turn. Tennis. My turn again. T-E-N-I-S. Tennis. Your turn. Tennis. Our next word today is spinning. My turn first. S-P-I-N-I-N. Spinning. Your turn. Spinning. My turn again. S-P-I-N-I-N. Spinning. Your turn. Spinning. And our last word for today is kennel. My turn first. K-E-N-E-L. Kennel. Your turn. Kennel. My turn again. K, e, n, e, o. Kennel. Your turn. Kennel. Well done. You've worked really hard today and should feel so proud of yourself. I can't wait to see you again soon.